Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you some options if you have this problem where your door hits you in the you-know-what on your way in. The closer on this door is not working because it just doesn't hold it open. So there's an adjustment right here that I'm going to try. And I'm going to twist it to the righty-tighty. And see if that does the trick. If that doesn't, then we're going to replace the whole thing. Oh, wow. That actually worked. So I suppose I could loosen it up to get it, to go faster, Randy. Randy's videotaping, and I've never actually done this before, so would you loosen it up, Randy, to make it go a little faster?